Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy HEX on MetaMask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and set up on your device. HEX is a unique cryptocurrency, often described as a blockchain certificate of deposit, allowing users to stake tokens for potential returns. To begin, you'll need to have some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet, as this is essential for covering the network's transaction fees, also known as gas. To get started, install the MetaMask browser extension and either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to write down your secret recovery phrase and keep it in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. Once your MetaMask is set up, you'll need to fund it with Ethereum. You can do this by purchasing ETH on a centralized exchange and then sending it to your MetaMask wallet address. With Ethereum in your MetaMask, the next step is to swap it for HEX. Navigate to a decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap or 1inch, using your browser. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange. Then, select Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you wish to swap from and HEX as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Enter the amount of ETH you wish to exchange. You might need to adjust the slippage tolerance in the settings to ensure your transaction is successful, especially during volatile market conditions. Once your swap is complete, you may need to manually add HEX to your MetaMask wallet by importing the token contract address to see your balance. With HEX in your wallet, you can then explore staking options on the official HEX.com website. Staking allows you to lock up your HEX for a period to earn potential rewards, with longer stakes often yielding higher returns. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.